The receiver of remote is usually placed inside the electrical cabinet and connected to the handwheel interface of the system controller. Finally, the antenna is placed on top of the electrical cabinet. This remote control is powered on through the off switch of the axis selection switch. After turning on, the power on light stays on continuously. Press and hold either button on either side after turning on the remote. Select the axis you want to operate with the axis selection switch. For example, selecting the x-axis. Select the desired magnification speed. For example, selecting 190x now. Shaking the handle and rotating it can operate the machine to move. The remote control has 3 custom buttons that can be integrated into the system and used as 3 IO buttons. There is an emergency stop button here. Press the emergency stop button in case of emergency to stop the machine. Ztwgp is widely used in equipment such as gantry machining centers, CNC vertical lathes, CNC milling machines, CNC grinders, CNC cutting machines, CNC laser cutting machines, etc.